This is TCL Smart TV Browser tutorial. So first of all, turn on your TCL Smart TV and now open the apps menu. So go to home button and press the home button on your remote to open the main menu. After that, select the browser. So navigate to the browse app and open it. After that, launch the browser that you have on your Smart TV. So use the on-screen keyboard to search to enter the website address or search term. As you can see, so after navigate the web, so once the page loads, use the remote arrow keys to scroll, click links or interact with the website, and after that zoom in or out. So to be able to do that, to zoom in or out, use the plus or the minus buttons on the remote if available. After that, close the browser. So to do that, to exit the browser, press the home button on your remote or select the exit in the browser settings. So this is a TCL Smart TV Browser tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.